So Seth, how do you feel about your injury? Well, I guess well, Randy caused me pain and misery after what all he did. And, well, it's sort of crazy because, yeah, I never had it coming. I don't care. He says I don't know why he did what he did. Well, when I come back, I'm going to destroy him like he did to me. Just exactly what he did to me. It's pretty bad. He broke a lot of bones. He destroyed me. Well, I don't think that I'm looking for what he's done. It's gonna be a pretty long recovery, but